Hope you guys are doing well, and today I'm going to show you that how meta tags works. I'm gonna write here some meta tags like keyword, and then content should be HTML tags. That's overview for the keyword. You can select whatever you like, and it depends on your web page which information you need to describe. You will also add some keywords here um, to bring top into your search results. So you can also add the meta description here and content here. Info about your meta tags. Meta tags allow you to provide the metadata about your HTML page. This can be useful for search engines, browsers, and other applications. Try to understand more about your page. What is metadata? Metadata is the information about or that describe or the data in or information. If we relate this a web page, if you think about it for a moment, you could probably come up with a lot more information about the web page that what you are actually displaying to the reader. For example, there could be a number of keywords that are related to the page. You could probably give the page a description. The page also has an author. Also, these could be example of meta tags. You can add meta of your page by placing meta like this tags between the head tag. They can include the following attributes like name, meta name, and content. Specify the property value. Also, you can describe the author meta name with the author, content should be anything. If you're an author, you can also use your own name here, and also meta with the name of http-equiv. Refresh content 10. Of 1 maybe. Refresh the page every 1 minute or 10 minutes. For example, I've used a heading and see the browser for 1 minute. it will automatically reload and show you the exact result of your page with their HTML tags. So I'm gonna time it with 0.1. It will automatically refresh the page. So here are the meta tags that we can use for the keyword description of the and the author and auto reload. So in our next session we can learn about the comments. Let me explain something about comments. Comments are the explanation mark and then hyphen. Yeah. Here is your HTML comment. HTML comment help explain the code and are not visible to your website visitors. Like it contains the code, but there is no end results. This is our code. For example, I want to remove these two without removing the HTML. For example, you need to remove any code and you don't need to rewrite it. You need to add a comment like this. There are two tags in our comment, and now we are seeing here 4. Once we reload it, the document reading 2 of our headings, not 4, but the tags are still there within the comment. So it's very handy. You can write a maximum code and you don't need to remove those codes. You can just also add a comment and from starting and ending you are not able to see those codes, but the codes are still in your document and not visible for your browser. Any HTML document can contain comments altogether. Comments are optionally. They can be very useful. Now I'm gonna add some comments like this is our first heading for the purpose of the reminder of what you are doing in your development. It's very handy to use a comment. As you can see, the comment are invisible to the user viewing the page in the browser. It's there simply for the HTML coder benefit. Multi-lines comments that span across multiple lines use same syntax as a single line comment. You begin the comment with the less than explanation mark and then double hyphen and then ending with the double hyphen and greater than. Rather the content uh, of the comment spans one line or 10, you are still using the same operators and closing tags. Well, you have now finished the first part of the tutorial. We can covered a lot, and by now you have learned enough to build a website. You need to experiment on these tags. You can easily create a HTML document and then link up the style, and you can create your first website. And now we will move on more specific content items such as tables, iframes, images, maps, and forms. So this is for now. I will teach you the forms in our next tutorial. So hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and see you in the next tutorial.